New tonight, Mayor Lori Lightfoot joined State's Attorney Kim Foxx to announce charges in an October shootout on Chicago's West Side. Days after the shooting, Foxx did not file charges over what she called a lack of evidence. Led to a public dispute with the mayor. Our Charlie DeMar now with what changed. Good evening, Charlie.
And Brad, Thomas Dean is now facing weapons charges for his role in that October shootout. The state's attorney says new forensic evidence led to those new charges. Tonight, Thomas Dean is facing gun charges for his role in an October afternoon shootout on a residential block in the South Austin neighborhood. One person died in the gang shooting. So far, nobody has been charged with murder. Do you anticipate that there could be murder charges brought in this case?
We're going to look at all the evidence and bring charges where appropriate.
This case divided Mayor Lori Lightfoot and State's Attorney Kim Foxx in the days after the shooting. Despite suspects in custody and video of the shooting, the state's attorney didn't charge anyone in the case, much to the dismay of the mayor back in October.
This old prosecutor wants to understand how it's possible that not a single charge, not a gun charge, not an attempted murder charge, disturbing the peace, but something.
I'm mortified by what happened yesterday, particularly because the mayor, as a former prosecutor, knows that what she did yesterday was inappropriate.
Now, months after that public spat, the mayor is standing with the state's attorney to announce charges. Foxx's office initially gave multiple explanations as to why charges weren't filed, ultimately citing a lack of evidence. What has changed since then?
What has changed is what I said initially, is that we needed additional evidence to be able to bring sufficient charges. We were able to get some scientific and forensic evidence that didn't exist at the time.
And again, we're not going to agree on every issue. This isn't some false show of unity.
I recognize the sexiness of a conversation about leaders combating one another. There was nothing sexy about what happened here.
Now, Dean will make his first court appearance tomorrow in bond court. The state's attorney says a search warrant has already been approved for another suspect in this case, so more charges are likely. Reporting live tonight in The Loop, Charlie DeMar, CBS 2 News. Brad?
Charlie, thank you.